Now it's time for the next ride of the day, which will be Cheetah Hunt. Currently a 40-minute wait.
2 hours later.
And we're off on Cheetah Hunt at Busch Garden, Tampa. First launch, here we go. Whoa! Second launch, here we go. Whoa! Nice little view. Busch Garden. Very scenic. We're twisted. Ow. Whoa! Oh, the shoulder hardness. Oh. 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 Oh, we're still going. Oh. Ah. Oh, this hurts. Oh, you okay? Oh no, ow. Oh, that was really painful. For reference, I'm 6'4", and my shoulders dig into this. Did you have fun at least?
It hurt me, honestly.
It hurt you?
Like, it's a cool ride. God.
I did not enjoy that one bit. Oh. We just got off Cheetah Hunt over there. It was not good. I'm 6'4". It digs into my shoulders, and every time there's a turn, it like twists my shoulders. Every airtime moment, my shoulders are being crushed. It's not comfortable. It's smooth. It's not rough. It's just so uncomfortable. What do you think about it?
You had a worse time with it than I did, but it hurt me. And like, you more so because you're a tall person, but I don't know what it was. The way that it threw me around and into the restraints was extremely
the restraints. It's just the restraints. The restraints are awful restraints. Like. It looks like a great ride. I did not care for it. I'm not going to ride it again, probably ever, unless it gets new restraints, because that was horrible. One of the most uncomfortable coasters I've ever been on. Now, I am 6'4", so your experience could be very, very different from mine. But for me personally, it was not enjoyable. I did not enjoy it.